What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if it is your first time here, welcome. Normally the vibe is about partying, but today I am going to be installing a wire harness kit on my Kia Soul to tow a trailer, and I have absolutely no idea what the fuck I'm doing, but I'm gonna follow a different YouTube tutorial and hopefully I can figure it out. I've asked a lot of buddies for some help and pointers, and they said it's really not that hard, so we're just gonna let her buck, bud. The tutorial I'm following is this one with this fucking dude. According to that YouTube tutorial, all we need is some screwdrivers so that we can get the tail lights off. This is the wiring kit that I ordered on Amazon. It's a Curt custom wiring harness, serial number 5622. It's a 4-way flat output. It's so sketchy filming outside because I don't want everybody to be in the video. There are 4 little things we have to unscrew, and then we can jimmy the light out. So that's the first step. Probably best to get a bowl to put your screws in, or you're gonna fucking lose them. Allegedly, you can just wiggle the tail lights and they'll come out, but we will see. Alrighty, so I jimmied this off, fucking right. I think this is going to be the connector that we're going to put one of the pigtails for the wiring harness into, and then we plug this into the other connector. I am going to get this side done, then I'm going to open up the wiring kit and we're actually going to take a look at what we're working with here. Did I mention that I am severely hungover right now? Fuck. So this is what the wiring kit looks like. Here are the pigtails. So I believe this is what we're plugging the lights in, and this is what we're adapting with. I don't know, but I do know that this is what the trailer gets hooked up to. I don't know everything, but I know some things. Allegedly, there's a button to push, and I don't see it. I don't know how to get this out. I feel like I'm not doing this right. I'm putting on some gloves because my little fingies can't handle it. My neighbor had to borrow me some pliers because my fingers aren't strong enough to unclip the lights. So hopefully this works. Like, what is you talking about with this button? I don't understand. What does this guy mean in the video? What clip? What fucking clip is he talking about? Release the clip. What does that even mean? Is that not a fucking clip?
Approximately 10 hours later.
Yes! Tail light is off. Man, that was fucking hard. Now we're gonna take a flathead screwdriver and take off a fastener or something. Allegedly. Oh. Okay, I thought that was gonna be way harder. There's the fasteners that we needed to get rid of, and now I think we can MacGyver the bumper, pull it out a little bit, and put the wiring kit through. For the driver's side, it's gonna be the yellow and brown and red wire, and then for the passenger side, it's going to be the green wire. This is the converter. This is simple stuff. Everybody knows this. Broke apart this chicken wire fence for my garden. I'm gonna put this wire through here, and then I'm gonna tape the passenger side on, and then I'm gonna pull it through. And hopefully nothing gets fucked up. Okay, so I'm taping this wire to this snake that I got through. Oh! I got it! It's coming through! Yes! I can't believe that worked. Oh my god. And as you can see, I've got it wired up and over there. One thing I noticed though in the video, it did say that it's the red and green wire for the passenger side and the yellow and brown for the driver's side. But as I see here, these are separated. and the red is hooked into this. So I don't want to mess around with that. I'm just gonna go as I'm going and hope to God that it fucking works out. I'm gonna take you guys under here with me so you can see what I'm seeing. I got the snake here. Take the wire, I'm gonna tape her right up there to the snake. Hopefully that's tight enough. And then pull this right through. Okay, Mom, can you pull it slow? Keep going. Oh wait, oh fuck. Oh no, what the fuck is going on? Yeah, okay, pull it slow. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Alright, keep going. Is it stuck?
Yeah.
Alright, I had to really wedge my fingers in between here, but there she be. Pull this bitch through. Nice. Once again, figure out which way it goes in. Nice click there. Fabulous. Okay, now we're going to put the tail light back on. There is a clip right there that it was originally connected to, and we are going to clip this part right into there. And then we can just, I think I need a little more give here. So you want to make sure that this is pulled up enough, but mine is not. Need to crawl back under and try to get it a little more give. All right, we're gonna start her up.
Yeah.
Another side too? And the brakes?
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Woo-hoo!
Fuck yeah. All right, now I just gotta secure it underneath. Unscrew these all back on. Oh shit, I didn't put the fucking clips in. Fuck! Okay, so don't be a fucking idiot and forget to put these back in like I did. I just wanna make a side note that using this to pop your taillights off is not the answer. I have scuffed the paint a little bit. It's not noticeable once the lights are back on, but it's not the most ideal. You should use a plastic wedge or whatever. But do I give a shit? No. Clippy thing back in the hole. We are going to screw the screws back in. So now I'm trying to figure out what to do with this, because I could just drill a couple holes right here and get a thing. I don't really want to do that though. I want to get it up into here sorta somehow. I don't really know how I'm going to go about that, because I think I need to get through here, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. So that's our next obstacle. I think I'm going to have to try to get in through here though. I really think that's where I'm gonna have to go. I don't fucking know. Last step, eh? It's always gotta be the hardest. Maybe. Jackpot. Might have popped my bumper out. Not too sure. Not too sure. Probably gonna have to figure that out. Oh, there we go. Oh. That was easy. Dust cover. Okay. So I'm just gonna take a couple zip ties, boogie back on under here, and get it hooked up. I need to secure this bad boy. I need to secure this bad boy. And I think I'm just gonna secure it to this hose here. I don't see why that would be a problem. I also don't see where else I can secure it, so yeah. Alright, so as you can see, I just zip tied those two wires to that other thing. It's pretty secure. I also left some slack for the yellow, brown, and white wire because that's the one that gets pulled through the bumper at the top there to hook up to the trailer. Do not need a fucking man to do this shit. So there you have it. The how-to for installing a Curt wiring harness kit on a 2016 Kia Soul. I'm a mess. Big time. It's all part of the trade, really. I mean, thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully this video was helpful to someone. Lesson of the day is that you can do anything you put your mind to. Catch you on the next one. Rise and shine. So, quick update. The other day I went to hook up the trailer and it didn't work. And I was like, what the fuck? And then someone shed some light on me that I didn't ground the wire. It's an easy fix, so it'll just get done in like a couple minutes. This is the ground wire, and I think I just have to bolt it onto this. I don't know. So I'm just gonna drill a hole and hope for the best. I also need some WD-40, so there's that too. You wanna make sure you keep water off it as much as possible, which is hard because like it's a taillight and it rains and shit, but essentially you don't want that screw that we're gonna screw the ground wire in with to get rusty, because then the connection doesn't stay grounded as well. Then your trailer lights won't work, so yeah. It says drill a hole with a 3-32 inch bit, but I don't fucking know what size of it. Fuck yeah. So here's the little thing that I came with. No way. Fucking Rex. I'm back. Grounded as fuck. That should work, hopefully.
Nobody makes it feel the way you do.
Fuck. So essential. Fucking motherfucker.
No.
Fuck. Fucking Christ. Fuck. Fuck yeah. And my shirt's fucking stuck. Oh. You guys, I smell fire and I freaked out and I thought something fucked up was happening. My neighbors started a fire. Let's see if I can get my fish wire through here.
I'm sorry. I just heard something with it.
I know, I'm like
Probably
scared.
you didn't say, but it's like, what they do, and then just fuck it.
Right? I don't know what I'm fucking doing, so.
Does anybody know what we're fucking doing?
No.